Right, so this is the Black & Decker vacuum cleaner. We bought this because Dyson is way too expensive and this only costs $2.99. So unboxing. So first of all, we have an instruction manual. Nobody going to read that. Some screws for the charger, I'm guessing. Charging station. Handle. Like the color actually. I think this is a charging station. The bottom of it at least. There's a, I think it's a shoulder handle thing. Don't know what that's for yet. Something dropped. I don't know what this is. Okay, accessory, brush. This is the actual charging station. Looks very, very intimidating. This must be the actual vacuum cleaner. Okay, not very sturdy. And the last nozzle accessory thing. Whatever this is. Okay, so obviously some assembly required. This is currently not very sturdy. This is turning. Okay. Handle in now. So we've unboxed the vacuum cleaner now. So just some basic functions. We've got the on-off button here. Very, very noisy. But some other basic functions is you can actually unhook this and use it as a handheld vacuum cleaner. Not sure how effective that is, but to set that up, undo the handle, connect these two parts like so. Add in the accessory at the end. Then you can do this, like so. So I've assembled the recharging station. I actually find it quite cumbersome because you need to touch these two pads. Just to give you a demo of how you need to recharge your vacuum, you have to line it up perfectly and slot it in here. I actually believe it's going to be very, very difficult because if you're standing straight on and you just put it on, it's very likely you're going to miss that hook. Unless you actually see it from the back and then line it up perfectly and then slot it on. It's a very bad design. And one last thing, the charger they provide us is on an angle. So if you ever use this charge, then you lose one of the power ports. That's kind of annoying. So you have to use it on the left side.